Hello, welcome to Road Cruiser. Today we are at Ashoka Resort. This is a beautiful view of Trishuli from Ashoka Resort. This is the view towards Narayangarh side. Trishuli river is flowing from Mugling side. This is the way to Mugling. It's a beautiful view here. That bridge goes towards the west side. This place is called Daasdhunga. There is huge monster flash flood in Trishuli. This is the rainy season, so you see huge flash flood. This is a beautiful view of Ashoka Resort. On this side is the highway. This is the highway to Kathmandu. Buses and trucks are at a very high speed on this highway. Here's some party here. On that side is a swimming pool, and this is a beautiful view of Ashoka Resort, and this is a beautiful view of Trishuli as viewed from Daasdhunga. There is huge monster flash flood in Trishuli. Beautiful view. On that side is the other side. Thank you.